is not a thing, is my friends, my new friends from Holland. They are busy because they are making what?
Cavatelli.
Cavatelli, the traditional shape of pasta of Agrigento. We already made the tomato sauce. Thank you, Luisa, for recording this video. She is enjoying also the experience.
Hello, hello.
Ciao. And the second thing is, meanwhile they are working, I wanna make for them a Sicilian sangria or a Sicilian cocktail. It doesn't matter, it's delicious. Peaches and red wine. I remember when I was child, this was the forbidden cocktail because the only thing that I could eaten was the peach. But sometimes I drank also a little bit of wine. So now I wanna show you how to make it. We are in the peaches season. So the only thing that we need to make is one peach, one glass, right? So we are peeling the peach in this way. So I'm sure that you like. Guys, do you drink this in Holland or is a...
Not like this, no.
No, right. But of course, you used to do like a sangria, right?
Yeah, it's more in Spain, yeah.
In
yeah.
Spain, yeah. Okay, so I peeled the peach and now I try to have pieces to put in my glass. Of course, you decide the size that you want to find in your glass, right? My grandpa used to put the wine in immersion before to eat lunch every day, and one peach was not enough, of course. Of course, in Sicily, after lunch, we take a nap. Also because the wine. So now, look, these are the peaches in the glass. Let's pour the wine. All right. And we need to wait at least 15 minutes because in this period, in this time, peaches absorbs the wine. Salute. Ragazzi, do you want to say ciao?
Ciao.